Hey guys, it's Kate. For today's video I did a very basic, not natural, but soft glam look today just because I wanted to break up the more dramatic looks that I've done on the channel so far. And I just got the Cover FX Shimmer Veil in Amethyst, and I used that the other day when I went to school and I got a bunch of compliments on it, and one of my friends told me that I should make a video with it. So I did, and yeah, if you guys are liking what you're seeing, then watch the rest of the video and find out how to do it. So I'm going to start with my Jaclyn Hill palette and a Morphe B13 brush, and I'm going to take these two shades right here and mix them as my transition color. And I'm going to kind of wing them out towards the tail of my eyebrow. And next I'm going to take a Morphe M505 brush and go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette and use this shade right here and kind of apply it under where I just laid down my first two transition colors. Just drop that. And I'm kind of focusing it on my outer corner as well, but still winging it out a little bit. And next I'm going to use the Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to take this color right here from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to just lightly apply that kind of in the same area, but just in a more concentrated and small amount. And then for the shimmery color on my lid, I'm going to use the Cover FX Shimmer Veil in the shade Amethyst. And I'm just going to kind of put that on with my finger first, and then just gently tap it out. And then while I'm waiting for that to dry down completely, I'm going to use the Morphe M505 brush and go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette and use that really dark shade, not really dark shade, but the darkest shade that we used from before, and just run that under my lower lash line. And then to tightline my eyes, I'm going to use the Vintage Smoky Eye Pencil in Jet Black. And I'm just going to actually use a lighter so this goes on a little bit smoother. I'm just going to barely heat up the product. And then I'm just going to go in and just gently run this along my lash line. And I'm also focusing it a little bit more on my inner corner, because when I put the lashes on, it doesn't look like the lashes are just sitting on my eye. It looks like they kind of flow a little bit better. Then for lashes, I actually just lost my Pure Bombshell lashes. I lost one of them. I really don't know where it went. It's somewhere in here, but I just can't find it. So I'm using the Huda Beauty Farrah number 12 faux mink lashes. These aren't my favorite because the band is really thick, and I don't know, I find that they're just a little bit difficult to work with, but they're still, they're still not bad and they look okay, but they're just not my favorite. But I needed a pair of lashes to use today, so. And whenever I'm filming, I always forget to do this first, but I need to put mascara on, obviously, before I do my lashes. I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex on both my top and bottom lashes. And then to just kind of make my lashes look more like seamless, I'm going to take the liner from before. I'm just going to very carefully line my like upper waterline. I don't think that's actually the term for it. And that step is totally optional. It's just something that I like to do. But like I said, you definitely don't have to do it. So for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the Pure Bronze and Brighten Dreamer cheek palette. And I'm going to use the highlight that comes with it, and it's called Afterglow. And I actually used this highlighter all over my face today, and it's one of my absolute favorite highlighters. And I use this pretty much all the time. And then for my lipstick, I'm going to take the Bite Amuse Bouche lipstick in Honeycomb and just apply this to my lips without a lip liner. So that is it for today's look. If you guys liked what you saw, then a like and a comment would be greatly appreciated. If you guys have any like suggestions for me, I know there's not a lot of you that watch my videos, but if you do, you know, commenting them or going on to my social medias, which are listed in the description box below, that'd be pretty cool. And if you guys like me and you like my channel and the content that I'm putting out, then a subscribe would be greatly, greatly appreciated. And I don't remember if I said greatly appreciated already, but I did, again. So, yeah. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.